headlines. MPCC demands special state assembly session to discuss Indo-Naga agreement. Public alert: demonstrations under Kokomi continue across Manipur. And High Court frees Landhoni Romita on bail. Baby Sana case to be handed over to CBI. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipur English News. I'm Mandira, and now the news in detail. Expressing concern over the unfolding situation in Manipur, the Vice President and spokesperson of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, T. Mangi Babu, today underlined the need to convene a special state assembly session. Talking to media persons today at Congress Bhavan, BT Road, Imphal, T. Mangi Babu stressed that it is not the right time to celebrate, as the public are feeling anxiety and panicky over the upcoming Indo-Naga final accord. He welcomed the peace talks but said the party will not tolerate any outcome of the peace process that harms the state's interest. He asserted MPCC has already urged AICC leaders to pressurize the central government for a positive solution. He also informed that the MPCC will not take part in the 10-day-long nationwide protest by Congress against the Modi-led government in view of the current critical situation in Manipur.
Manipur की लेरिबा टेरिटोरियल बाउंड्री नत्रगा इथनिक की ओइबा कल्चर की ओइबा एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन दा करिगुंबा मणिपुर की एनी जगह अमदा अकाय अतोय लाकद्रा हाइबजिगी अवाबदुने कोइना खांगनरिसि अदुगा पीस टॉक तोबो मतमदा कांग्रेस पार्टी अमसुंग मणिपुर की लेरिबा प्रजा पुनमंगना करिगुंबा ओपोजिशन अमत लेते मरमदी नागा की याम सांग लाख्रबा असिगुंबा समस्या से मसिम लोसिनगिबा हाइबसे नागा प्रजा गिसु इंजबनी लोइना अखोगिसु इंजबनी अदुना मसिदा अखोगी अयेत अपन करिगुंबा अमत्ता लेते हेना अखोइना वेलकम तवी थुनु लोसिनगिबा अदुनि अखोइना पामिसे अदुगा तोबदबु अदुगुंबा लोइसनबु होनबदुदा नागा लरिबा नागालैंड की पेननब होनरप मतमदा मणिपुर स्टेट की अकायबा लापो ओइरगदी मदुदी मणिपुर प्रदेश कांग्रेस कमिटीना ngasi भावबदा अखोई अदुम ओपोज तौदना ngasi भावबदा अखोई लाई असिनी अखोगी स्टेन हजिकसु अखोगी लेरिबा स्टेन से सुहोंग होंगदे कदुंगदसु खोई होंगोय कदुंगदसु मणिपुर की टेरिटोरियल इंटीग्रिटी दा मणिपुर की बाउंड्री दा कायरकपदा कांग्रेस न कदुंगदसु मसिदा से कंप्रोमाइज तौरय.
Today's press meet was also attended by MPCC spokesperson Ann Mangi, General Secretary Harishwar Goswami and others. MPCC spokesperson Ann Mangi questioned the position of all MPs at such critical juncture. He condemned the BJP government in the state for allegedly keeping silent over the issue.
Honorable Chief Minister, Government notification se issue tore ibse ain irang sagatsa bagi nateko karigumba kharadi chingnabal leira mane sini khudi congress ni na manung do khangje deko aduga adadi prime minister do BJP no oibinina BJP ki chief minister mo redi samade chama khangdresu 50 la 25% ledi khangong bani mi paibadi pokmale notice thore bako sini ekhoni ala sorisdi jaibai nate हुजिक्ति बीजेपी की वा कांग्रेस की वा एनजीओ की वा चिंगमी की वा तमी की वा नागा की कुकी वा नता अपुनब मणिपुर वाकपदी पुनब नतनदी ngamde matam madu ki kallaba baspayana extension of ceasefire without territorial limit aibado bharat sarkar su manipur se khangan ningi manipur ji kashmir nate jammu kashmir da article 370 lokhoga hujik phawgo thadoktana हाने की चीफ मिनिस्टर अहुम फाजल लगा हुजिक फाउदा डिटेन तौरगा लेरिबसे मणिपुर गुंबा अखोइगी लमदमदा ओयु बीजेपी खंगदबनी सेंटर की मोदी खंगदौनेबा.
Public alert meetings and protests were staged across Manipur in response to the call of Kokomi demanding disclosure of the Indo-Naga agreement, while cautioning the government of India against taking any decision which can hurt the interest of the people of Manipur. Yai School Apunba Mairapaibi Imphal West under Kokomi organized an alert sit-in protest demanding disclosure of the terms of agreement of the Indo-Naga talks. The protest was held at Yai School Hiruhanba Lekai today. Secretary of Yai School Apunba Mairapaibi L. Shantibala said they welcome the final outcome of the peace talks. However, it should not affect the territorial integrity of Manipur. She further said that they will extend support to Kokomi and intensify the agitation if the center goes against the sentiments of the people.
Manipur gi integrity amata ka helloy haina lauri aduba khoin hangjaningi di CM da adugumba ai khangde ai si matana khangde na so haibiri aduguma integrity kairoi haibagi ai ba serona se CM na paibi ba leibi rabra simatang leibak miyam gi mamangda sengdokpiu simaga haijari adagi amana leibak kairoi integrity kairoi ngamkai kairoi haiba leiragana karigi paramilitary mayam ama thomjal leiba sina kari wahan thongno simaga khoina CM da hangjari.
In support of the protest by Kokomi, the Transporters and Drivers Council held an alert meeting at Keshampad Lemajam Lekai Community Hall today. Speaking at the meeting, Vice President of TDC Kwairampam Ibotombi said the council stands against divisive policy that can be detrimental to the peaceful coexistence among communities of the state. Ibotombi threatened that the council may stop transportation service if the Manipur government and the centre take up any step that can hurt the sentiments of the masses. The protesters also held placards that read, "Long live Manipur, save the integrity of Manipur," etc. Assistant Coordinator and Media Advisor of Kokomi, Jitendra Ningomba, also attended the meeting.
Manipur da khundaduna leiminariba kanglup purup nipugi matakta khundaduna leikol amata da sanminariba leirang aikhoigi marakta nungsi sanaba sibu machet thugai bagi khongpham ama lakpa sida aikhoi TDC na madumak yaba ngamoi karigumba laingak loi oibiriba Manipur amadi India government na tabiraga makoina lawgadoriba warep adudagi handok piduna Manipur kai danana sinbiu karigumba makoina aikhoigi section mifam asi thawoi bidaduna makoina ngammi matagumna lawrak pataragadi aikoi Transport and Driver Council na TDC na su aikoi gi ngamjabi level da Manipur imagi damak kanglei paki damak thawai na pontha pirba su pigini aduga loinana Manipur iramdam gi damakta seba phangjariba seba taujariba gari wala aikoi na kari lawrukpa yabagi haibadu su ngasi thamjage madudi.
In support of the Kokomi-led statewide agitation, an alert protest was also held today at Naurem Kaithil Mancha of Dishnupur district. Under the banner, Indo-Naga peace talks must not affect territorial integrity of Manipur. It was jointly organized by Naurem Development Council, Naurem Apunba Mairapaibi and the Education Unemployed Youth Auto Rickshaw Organization Cooperative Society Limited, Nambol to Naurem. The protesters also displayed placards demanding all 60 MLAs of the state to be clear with their words and actions. Talking to media, one of the protesters, Gangmai Aguri, said that the Kabui community of Manipur will not remain silent if the final solution of Naga peace talks harms the interest of the state.
Naga peace talk tauraga Nagaland solution purokpadi kaisu kaide adubo aikoi atok asina Manipur gi integrity sokadoba Manipur gi ngamkhai kaigadoba mayam de khoi na yamna kan yaning de aikoi kabui ama oina Manipur gi ngamkhai kanba haibase akhoi gi ithodang yamna chawna lei.
Volunteers of Kokomi and Nambol Apunba Nupilup attended the protest and delivered speeches related to the issue. To be mentioned, the cops arrived at the protest venue and tried to interrupt the protest, resulting in a scuffle-like situation. However, no untoward incidents were reported and the protest was carried on. Top Dasera Lamjingwi Village Level Federation held an alert sit-in protest today at Top Kewa Bazaar of Imphal East. The protest was organized in the backdrop of Indo-Naga peace agreement that took place on October 31st last. On the sidelines of the protest, President of the Federation and Dhanapati told media that ending the peace talks is a positive step, but the outcome should not harm the interest of Manipur. She also appealed to all concerned to make it public the content of the settlement of the Naga Framework Agreement.
hantak moi santi gi wari sana basida akhoi kaimta thingde tawbadabu moina sanari ba wari se kari no khangdaba akhoi da ansil ohalaga kaimta khangandana thambasigi yaningdadana manipur gi ngamkhai machet amata kaiba yaroi haidana akhoi mayam sina akhoi gi BLF ki oiriba leader mayam akhoi nupi mayam sina yaningdabado phongdok chabaneba.
In a major development, the High Court of Manipur has finally granted bail to Landhoni and her daughter Romita today. The court in its order said the petitioners were released on bail with a bond surety of Rs 1 lakh each to the Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal West with assurance to cooperate with the investigation of the case. The High Court further ordered to hand over the Babysana case to CBI within 2 weeks. Landhoni, who has been in judicial custody in connection with the death of Ningthaujam Babysana, had on October 7th last filed bail applications in the court, but Sessions Judge Imphal West dismissed both the applications. It may be mentioned that accused principal of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School Landhoni and the administrator Romita were arrested following the mysterious death of Babysana, a class 7 student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur, on July 18. It's time for a short break, but coming up next. Mau Imphal Market Coordinating Committee celebrates Ningol Chakoba at Narimthong Kulen Leikai Community Hall. More after the break.
Classic Hospitality Training Institute, a unit of Babina Healthcare and Hospitality Industries Private Limited, initiated by Classic Group of Hotels, brings exciting short-term course, 3 months course in front office operations, 3 months course in food and beverages service operations, 45 days course in personality development and soft skills. Eligibility 12 pass and 18 years to 30 years. Fee structure Rs 15,000 for 3 months and Rs 10,000 for 45 days training. 100% placement assistance with free uniform and study material. Please contact Classic Hospitality Training Institute, Center 1, Babina Diagnostics Building, or Center 2, Hotel Imphal by the Classic.
Welcome back. Mau Imphal Market Coordinating Committee celebrated Ningol Chakoba at Narimthong Kulen Leikai Community Hall, Imphal. Advisor of Mau Market Coordinating Committee H. Ibotombi Kuman, President of Mau Union Imphal, Puni Losi Mau, Convener of the committee Kuraijam Athoba, and Chairman Besi Mau also attended the celebration. Convener Athoba said that the relationship between the Mau and Meitei has been strengthened thanks to the temporary Mau Kaithel in Imphal. He added the temporary market was organized in Imphal to sell Mau produce. He said that the committee has requested the government to set up a Mau market shed in Imphal on many occasions, but the demand has remained unfulfilled till date. The committee and the local club will set up 2 market sheds at Kagempally after getting consent from the club until further arrangements are made.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯎ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯃꯥꯎ ꯆꯠꯄꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯑꯀꯤꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯍꯩꯅꯗꯕ ꯁꯦꯟꯁ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯂꯤꯅꯦꯁꯟ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯗ ꯐꯥꯎꯗꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯗ ꯆꯠꯄꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯛ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯃꯥꯎꯒꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯎ ꯃꯥꯔꯀꯦꯠꯅ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯤꯜ ꯍꯤꯜ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯚꯦꯂꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯤꯄꯜꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯔꯤꯂꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯂꯚ ꯑꯦꯐꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯒꯣꯗ ꯐꯥꯗꯔꯅ ꯖꯤꯖꯁꯅꯁꯨ ꯎꯕꯤꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯕꯨꯙꯧꯅꯁꯨ ꯎꯕꯤꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ.
The team of Imphal East Commando conducted search operation in and around Kurai Lamnong Bazaar of Imphal East early this morning. Altogether, 155 persons were verified during the operation. However, no one was picked up. The search operation was carried out under the supervision of Additional Superintendent of Police Operations T.H. Krishna Tombi, a police report said. Merapaibi volunteers of Langthabal Kunjamayai Leikai today staged a sit-in protest at the community hall of Langthabal Kunjakaital Macha to condemn yesterday's blast near Sani Mandir of Thangal Bazaar, Imphal, in which 5 police personnel and 1 civilian were injured. Talking to the media on the sidelines of the protest, member of Langthabal Kunjamayai Leikai Merapaibi Y. Tamfa strongly condemned the incident and appealed to all concerned not to repeat such incidents in future.
integrity soktanabagi pandamasida Manipuri Kunaida amaga yengtinariba haibadi sagai jat masen manajabagi nagagi manajabagi kukigi manajabagi homeland tanbagi masi puna masi tokhai bire haireraga aikoi amatta waina punna sangsi minanabagi khongthang asi pubira o haiduna aikoina ngasi gi wakan mafamase aikoi phamjabani
109 Battalion CRPF under the Civic Action Program distributed sewing machines to 13 widows of Mongsangai area in Imphal West today during a simple function at the Mongsangai Community Hall. Commandant Binod Kumar of 109 Battalion CRPF Mongsangai, Adhyaksha of Imphal East R.K. Taruni, founder of Little Master School M. Thoiba and social worker K. Manoranjan attended the program. Addressing the gathering, R.K. Taruni said that such initiative will benefit many people. Commandant Binod also talked about the developmental activities carried out by the CRPF company in the area. He said that many people and localities have been benefited under the Civic Action Program in the past few years. He added that today's program was organized to help 13 widows of the area.
And this is a very good occasion for me to connect with the people, and I'm just grateful to the people. They give this opportunity to serve me, to serve them, and the response is overwhelming. It was really a wonderful moment till now that this Imphal have what the love and affection they have given to me.
The Senapati District Women's Association celebrated its Silver Jubilee at Mini Indoor Stadium, Senapati today on the theme Striving for Prosperity. The inaugural function of the celebration was attended by Member of Autonomous District Council Senapati Alexander Maiko, Deputy Commissioner Senapati Somorjit Salam and Superintendent of Police Senapati M. Pradeep Singh. At the function, President of SDWA R.N. Hana acknowledged the contribution of the past executives and members for their relentless contribution. Senapati DC Somorjit Salam termed the celebration as a proud moment for the entire district. The DC asserted that growth of a society depends on the growth of women. He also urged everyone to stand united. Speaking at the function, Alexander Maiko said that celebrating the day could be termed as a positive change for the society in this 21st century. Naga Women's Union, United Naga Council, Naga People's Organization, Tribe Presidents of Mao Council, Maram Union, Paumai Naga Union, Thangal Union, Zilaigrong Union, Senapati Zone, students organizations of the district, ADC members of the district and federating units of Senapati District Women's Association attended the program. Deputy Commissioner of Vishnupur District, Neeta Arambam, has been conferred the Digital Transformation Award 2019 today during a glittering function at the Lalit Hotel, New Delhi. The award was handed over to Neeta by former Union Minister and Rajya Sabha MP Suresh Prabhu. The award function was organized by Governance Now with support from the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology and Smart City Mission, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Government of India. Secretary of Puthiba Welfare and Cultural Society, Sinam Bibok, drew the attention of the government of Manipur to construct a Manipur guest house for Manipuri tourists in Tripura. A press conference was held at Manipur Press Club organized by UKAL in the presence of Revenue and Fishery Minister of Tripura, NC Dev Verma. Meanwhile, speaking at the press meet, Minister Dev Verma said that if the government of Manipur take the initiative in building a guest house in Tripura, then both the government can collaborate on more developmental work in the future. He also urged the support of the Manipur government and the people of the state to help in the yearly Lai Harawa rituals performed by the groups of Meiteis residing in Tripura.
You know better that the population of Manipuri in Tripura, it has been diminished to a large extent. In any case, the agrarian economy of Tripura, it was a major contribution of Manipuri peasantry.
The Manipur degi chhatro mayam tourism mayam la ekoi Tripura Agartala da modugi lebagi jaga litte hotel da ba jahaja chan ai modu koina khalli se kogi Tripura da Manipuri guest house abagena koina hajari se ni kogi revenue minister to hai ni mado wato akoigi Tripura ga atei Manipuri ga je relationship se phajantong lei si koi leini koi ra samodu su lejari modu phajantong lei bagya na kona honari
khwaidagi hena maru oiribasi maitai jingi saktamse masi ngangnanaba honabada lai haraubosina loriba thodang sing adu punamak mapung phana pura mak natragasu 50% bogdi khoi loraga hojikti lai haraubosina achouba inot ama haptana maitai singse maitai oina hingba ngamnanaba hingbagi adugumba achouba khudongchaba ma khoi longminari masai dai kai khumnajariba khoi hojik mangda khoi mayamgi mangda lingsin biriba kai khumnajariba khoi gi minister revenue and fisheries ki paibiriba NC Debrama sina achouba thodang lobidana lai.
Time for another short break, but coming up, joint sitting in Parliament on November 26 to mark 70 years of the Constitution. More after the break.
Luhongbagi furniture set kaloinana style and style amadi local almira phongbiragani. Furniture set ama laibada fian ama lemna hapchari loinana ningol chakaubagi akhanabu offer su pizari. Bed, dining table, office table, sofa, almira, fridge asina chingba khudimak phongbiragani. Ngasimak lengsin biro steel decor. Sagol Bantera Akamlikai Imphal Manipur. Contact number 9612167042 natraga 8794714511.
Welcome back. To mark 70 years of the adoption of Indian Constitution, a joint sitting of the both Houses of Parliament will be held on November 26 and is likely to be addressed both by President Ramnath Kovind and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. According to reports, Vice President Venkaiah Naidu, who is also the Rajya Sabha Chairman, and Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla will also be present and may make intervention on the event. Besides the members of both houses of the Parliament, former presidents and prime ministers too are expected to attend the event, which will be held in the Central Hall of the Parliament. The joint sitting will start on November 26 forenoon and is likely to last for more than 2 hours. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said his government would urge the Bangladesh government through centre to give more funds for maintenance of the historical monuments at the ruined Jaintiapur and ensure that they are restored and remained intact. He said this during a meeting with Commerce Minister Government of Bangladesh today held at Sylhet today. Conrad Sangma said is a huge opportunity for trade and commerce, but it is the unavailability of connection that is a barrier. Trade opportunities between the two countries were discussed at length. The descendant of Tripura's royal family, Pradyut De Burman, who visited Kanchanpur brew camps today, said nobody can force the brews to leave Tripura. The Riang people who lost their lands due to Dumbur hydropower plant at Amarpur subdivision in Tripura migrated to some parts of Mizoram. Pradyut said Tripura has enough place to accommodate Riang people and assured that he will discuss the matter with the Tripura and Mizoram government. He also added that it is painful to see the son of the soil being treated as refugees in their own land. It may be mentioned that 6 brew refugees, including children, died of starvation in brew camps in the past few days. Now we'll take a look at the sports news. Amofa defeated AKS Junior by 3-0 in today's match of the first late Laishram Kirani Memorial First Division Football League 2019 held at Multipurpose Ground, Moirang. On the other hand, District Football Association Moirang has taken up disciplinary action against GMC Fubala. According to a press release, GMC Fubala violated the rules of the ongoing football tournament by not showing up for the match. District Football Association Moirang suspended GMC Fubala for 6 months and fined a sum of Rs 10,000, the release said. Now, before we wrap up the news, the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. MPCC demands a special state assembly session to discuss Indo-Naga treatment. Public alert demonstrations under Kokomi continue across Manipur. And High Court frees Landhoni, Promita on bail, Bibisana case to be handed over to CBI. This is all we have for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more updates.